Cutting Edge Technology, Multimedia Group 24. As our society progresses, technology is becoming more and more pervasive and useful. People of all walks of life can utilize technology for their benefit. Cutting edge technologies are examples of this.
How's it going? My name is Mason Ralstad. I'm an informatics major here at UW, and cutting edge systems to me is something that really sets the forefront in today's world in information gathering and analysis. An example that I have is something that I've been kind of working on lately at UW here, and it's data mining and analysis. And basically it's a system that might gather a ton of data, like millions and millions and millions of rows in a data set, and do something with it, whether that's customer analysis or product forecasting or something like that. Something that basically gives us an idea of what might happen. So predictive analysis is a huge thing these days. So that's what I think cutting edge systems might do.
What does cutting edge mean to you in terms of your major?
Like the newest technologies available to help us be sustainable.
So, in your major's perspective, what does cutting edge technology mean to you?
Well, in the music field, the thing that jumps to mind instantly is the online music making programs such as Ableton Live, Pro Tools, V-Loops, things like that. The electronic medium is definitely gaining prominence in the modern musical world. And if you're not on the train, you gotta jump on, myself included.
Thank you.
Of course.
Key concepts. So cutting-edge technologies refer to technology or research that is most advanced or up to date. Because of the growth of technology, it has allowed us to develop the three themes of information consumption: portability, participatory, and personalized. Portability allows us to use technology where we want it, when we want it, such as having portable computers and smartphones. Participatory means anyone is able to participate in the system, and personalized has allowed us to personalize our technology to our own preferences. An example of analyzing cutting-edge technologies is through the utilization of Moore's law. Gordon Moore, the co-founder of Intel, states that the number of transistors per square inch on doubled every year since the integrated circuit was invented. This is due to having more information being processed and inventing new and smaller, faster transistors that process information to a quicker and faster rate. To the right, we have a graph that shows the transistor count. On the x-axis, we have the date of introduction, and on the y-axis, we have the transistor count. The curve shows Moore's law, which is an exponential growth.
My name is Aaron Wagner, and I work at Microsoft in the Xbox division, and I'm a program manager.
How would you define cutting-edge systems?
My view of cutting-edge technology is systems that are able to quickly adapt and, based on their user behavior, tweak their systems. One cutting-edge system that we've been continuously working on is NUI, which is Natural User Interface. This is playing games and navigating a video game console with hand gestures. And another one is VUI, which is Voice User Interface, which is navigating through a game console using
I am Siri. I am an intelligent personal assistant with voice recognition. I am capable of understanding natural human speech, as well as asking more questions to get you the right information. So far you have seen examples of cutting-edge technology, video game systems, cloud computing, mobile applications, and me. As cutting-edge technology advances and becomes more portable, participatory, and personalized in us, we will become a part of history, making way for the latest and greatest cutting-edge technologies. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.
Cloud computing. Another system that is considered to be cutting edge these days is cloud computing. Although it is a relatively recent system, we can trace the origin of the idea back to 1961, when John McCarthy hypothesized that the computation may someday be organized as a public utility. In 2006, Amazon launched its Elastic Compute Cloud, EC2, as a commercial web service that allows small companies and individuals to rent computers on which to run their own computer applications. But what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a form of accessing data from any place in the world without the need of physically carrying the data with you through the use of memory cards, hard drives, or flash drives. Cloud computing allows you to store your data in remote data centers and documents, emails, applications can all be stored remotely and accessed over the internet through a web browser. Many IT professionals recognize the benefits of cloud computing offers in terms of increased storage, flexibility, and cost reduction. Cloud computing will ultimately transform today's computing landscape as today's applications move towards a cloud model and become more pervasively available through the web. Mobile applications. The first mobile applications were just simple games, ringtone editors, calculators, and the great example of this can be seen through the game of Snake through Nokia phones, as I'm sure few of you remember. The wireless application protocol, which is the mobile version of the World Wide Web, has allowed mobile phones to access the limited internet. General packet radio service, what the fuck is this guy talking about? Data rates for global evaluation, which they were new technologies, faster transmitting internet. Okay. The modern mobile applications were shaped by the appearance of iPhones. iPhone's App Store released to the public on July 10th, 2008. They offered not only apps from Apple, but also apps from third parties. This allowed users to have customized iPhones by having different apps. Not far after iPhone apps were released, Google Play, which is now known more as Android apps, released the following October. Both app stores have had similar few applications at the beginning, but now the iPhone App Store has over 775,000 apps, and Android App Store has 700,000 apps. After rapid growth of mobile apps, the lifestyle of people has changed. People use apps to do so. Everything checking on Facebook, shopping, browsing the internet, check the address, and playing games. Diversity of easy access of mobile web applications.
I am Siri. I am an intelligent personal assistant with voice recognition. I am capable of understanding natural human speech, as well as asking more questions to get you the right information. So far you have seen examples of cutting-edge technology, video game systems, cloud computing, mobile applications, and me. As cutting-edge technology advances and becomes more portable, participatory, and personalized in us, we will become a part of history, making way for the latest and greatest cutting-edge technologies. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.